Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mid Mysterious. If you have recently cleared your FMG, then congratulations. Today I'll walk you through everything that you need to know about your FMG Pass Certificate collection in New Delhi, from the documents you need to the step-by-step guide. So the first step is to download your scorecard. A link will be released by NBEMS. You need to click on the link. You need to enter your credentials like your roll number, password, name, or something like that. You need to enter and you need to download your scorecard. I will be attaching the necessary documents and photos so that you will be getting an idea. Step 2, download your entry slip. You will again receive a link regarding FMG pass certificate collection date or just entry slip. You need to click on that link and enter your credentials like FMG roll number and all, and then you'll see a PDF over there. If you click on that PDF, you can see your slot timings and slot date, station, etc. as shown over here. Step 3, book your travel tickets after you get the slot date or entry slip. It may cost you less if you book ahead than last minute prices. These are the three major steps before the actual struggle begins. Like the first one is downloading your scorecard, your entry slip, and your travel. These are the three major steps. Now we'll discuss about the documents we require. The first document you will require is your self declaration form. After downloading your entry slip, after few days you will receive a mail like this regarding your self declaration form. You need to fill this form and you need to carry it with you to New Delhi. Like in this form you need to fill all the travel details like entry and exit dates and travel stamps like arrivals and departure stamps. You'll have date on the stamp. You need to fill the date on this self declaration form. Just take this as a reference, and this is how I filled it. From now on, whatever document I am mentioning in this video, please carry them as original document. Have one set of color xeroxes of all the original documents, and just take passport size photos also, just in case. Also carry your FMG admit card, preferably the same copy which you used on the examination, just in case if you missed it or if you don't have, you can Xerox a new copy and take it with you. And carry your original passport. Like if you have like old one and new passport, you need to carry both the passports along with you. And degree certificate or provisional pass certificate, which you got from your study country. Some people call it as apostle also. You need to carry that with you. And eligibility certificate. In case if you don't have any eligibility certificates, you can carry NEET UG qualified certificate with you. Valid photo ID proof, like you can carry your Aadhar card or PAN card, a driving license, etc. 10th, 11th, and 12th original pass certificates you need to carry with you. Also take a copy of the entry slip PDF. It's a 3-page PDF. You need to take that color xerox also. All these you need to take in original, and these are the mandatory and compulsory documents that you need to carry along with you. I'll mention all the 8 documents once again over here. Process in Delhi. Firstly, don't panic, guys. It's a very smooth process if you have all the documents correctly. Just enjoy the moment. You work so hard to be here. You deserve this. Reach NBMS by correct time. Say like if your slot timing is 12 p.m., you can reach there by 11:30 p.m. Like just 20 to 30 minutes going prior is enough, just to avoid any last minute anxiety. You'll be avoided some auditoriums. You can go there, you can sit and you can just relax, and you can fill in your documents if you didn't fill, and like self declaration, and you can arrange all your documents in the order like that. And check your station. Like mine was station B. You need to go through like three different groups. In all three different groups your station will be B. The station will be mentioned in your entry slip, so check your entry slip properly and check the station, and you need to go to the same station which is mentioned in the entry slip. In three different groups you need to go to the same station. So what happens in three different stations? Like in station one, you need to go to station one, like A, B, C. Mine was B, so I went to B station in the one. So after going there, they asked for admit card, passport, and your entry slip. They check all the three documents, and they asked me to sign on a paper. And they also take your biometrics like thumb and face scan. Please avoid tattooing, applying colors, and applying mehendi, which will cause unnecessary problems during your biometrics. Now second station. Even in second station you need to go to B station again. Here they'll be verifying your original degree certificate or original pass certificate which you get it from your study country, and they'll ask you for your eligibility certificate. If you don't have eligibility certificate, you can also show them your NEET UG qualified certificate or pass certificate, and also your original any valid ID photo proof on 10th, 11th and 12th pass certificates. They'll be verifying all these three will be verified in station B. So here in second station, they might ask you a few questions like what is your full name, your parents name, where did you study medicine, and when did you join and when did you graduate. They just question to check your confidence, so be confident, no worries. In the third station, they once again verify all your original certificates and they sign and stamp on your pass certificate and they give it to you. As I told, you need to go to like three different stations. After going to three different stations, they'll give you pass certificate and they'll sign and stamp like on three times. Like first one, if you can see, biometric and face ID. After first station, they'll sign over there. In second station, I told documents will be verified. After verification of documents, they'll be signing again. Last one is certificate verified by like if you go to third station, they'll verify your documents once again and they sign and stamp on this paper and they give it to you. After third step, they hand over your pass certificate to you. Just check for all three signs and stamps. Mostly all three signs and stamps will be correct only. Like check if all your original documents are safe with you. They do not ask for any original documents of yours, so please be careful with your original documents and keep them careful and safe. Lastly, they give you a drink or coffee. Just enjoy it, guys. Hope you find this video helpful to you. If any of your friends going to Delhi this time for their pass certificate collection, please share this video with them. It might be useful for them. Also, if you like my content, please like, share, and subscribe to Med Mysterious. Bye. I will see you in my next video.